This product demo showcases how to efficiently navigate and manage multiple panels within the Chrome application. Via the desktop button, you can access a page from which all selected panels can be launched within the browser. Alternatively, using the Save shortcut feature in the panel editor, you can save panels to your desktop to launch them in standalone mode. This demo highlights efficient navigation and management of multiple panels within the Chrome application or in standalone mode. Explore these features to enhance your workflow and optimize your production setup.